Good day everyone. Today I will be discussing about my topic, planning and organizing in Mise en Place and using the knife skills. So let's go. Mise en Place. This is a culinary term, means everything in its place and refers to organization of ingredients and equipment before cooking. It refers to the systematic process of preparing and arranging all necessary ingredients, tools, and equipments before cooking begins. So, mise en place guys, kanang is a French term. Everything is in place. So, before sila magluto guys, dapat ang mga equipment o tools and ingredients naka-set up na siya. Usa sila magluto niya. Mo na siya importante kina siya guys, kay ang pagbuhatan na kay maka make og good flow sa pagluto. So ditso na di na magkagubot kay naa naman ang tanan ingredients. So mara to guys. Planning and organizing. So this is how you plan and organize your kitchen. So number 1, assemble your tools. And number 2, assemble your ingredients. And number 3, wash, trim, and cut, and prepare and measure raw materials. And number 4, prepare your equipment. And number 5, preheat the oven, line baking sheets, and etc. Using your knife safely. Number 1, use the correct knife for the task at hand. So, ang pasabot na guys, kung maggamit mong kutsilyo, dapat katong saktong kutsilyo na gamiton na. Example, ang tomato. So, ang tomato guys, naman sa na siya knife guys, ang tomato knife. So, muna siya panghiwa na guys. Yeah, and number 2, always cut away from your torso. So, dapat ang kutsilyo guys, wala nag-direct atubang nimo. Basta maghiwa ka kay ma-accident ka niya, masamad pa ka. And number 3, always cut on a cutting board. So, dapat guys, kung maghiwa mo guys, dapat sa cutting board mo maghiwa guys. Kaya kung sa table na guys, kuha na mga hugaw guys. Masaglan na naghugaw yung gipanghiwara kay huwag mo gamit og cutting board. And number 4, keep knife sharp. Okay, bawal mo guro mo unsa na. When carrying a knife, hold it down point. So, kung hold mo og kutsilyo guys, dapat ang kutsilyo guys kay naka-ana na siya guys, naka-down guys. So di na siya pwede ana guys kay makasata na guys. So dapat anay na siya guys. And don't attempt to catch falling knife. So ayaw mugsa og knife guys kay masamad ba na kamo ray masakitan na kung inyo na saon. So never leave a knife in the sink. So, bawal na maguro mo na guys, never leave a knife on the sink. So, dapat ibutang niya to sa kanang tarong na butangan lang sa knife, guys. So, next, parts of the blade. So, kita mo nang sa picture guys. So, muna siya ang mga parts guys. So, ang una, tip. Does much of the cutting and separating. So, ang kanang tip guys, kay mo ginay last cut guys. So maguna man lang ang cutting edge no. Sunod na ang tip. So siya may last cut jud. Tagahiwa siya may permilas. So spine back part of the blade that is directly opposite to the edge. So ang spine guys kay kuha na siya guys, back part na siya sa blade. So, nag-opposite na sila sa cutting edge. So, ang cutting edge kasi mo man ay panghiwa dyan. And bolster, thick piece of metal placed in between the handle and the blade. So, ang bolster guys, kaya na siya dapit sa handle guys. Siya ka ng gasumpay. Handle, the grip of the knife. So, mo na siya grip guys sa knife guys. Ang kanang handle. Gunitan ang knife. And tongue part of the blade, hot extend to the handle to give added balance. So ang tanggis kay importante ka na guys kay maka-bring na siya balance sa kutsilyo. And heel bottom part of the blade that does the cutting of large or tough food. So ang kanang heel guys kay kung isa po na mahiwaon gahi guys, so muna siya una ihiwa guys. Ang aring heel muna siya, ang heel mo una mo ikuan i-cut nimo kung nakay kuan i-cut na kanang gahi large or tough food. And cutting edge, the working part of the blade can be fine, separated, scuppered, or hollow ground. Cutting edge. So mo gani siya kanang parakat guys. So man akong giingon gani ha guys na una mag-cut si cutting edge sunod si tip. So next, the basic cuts. First basic cuts is brunoise cut, fine dice. Brunoise is a French cooking term meaning cutting vegetables into small cubes, precise and uniform measurement. This technique is used to cut vegetables into fine dice. The food should first be joined and turned into quarter and diced again to create 1.5 millimeters cubes. So ang example ani guys kay kana maghiwa og karot guys. So ilan na pormahon og kanang murag cubes guys ang brunoise. That's the cut guys. And next, chiffonade cut. So shredding guys. Chiffonade is a French term that means little ribbons. It is slicing technique used on leafy green vegetables and herbs such as spinach, sorrel, and flat-leaved herbs like basil and mint. So kasagaran na ning gamiton nila guys kay ang spinach, sorrel, and basil and mint. So kanang mga herbs guys kasagaran na guys kanang mga leafy na vegetables kasagaran ilang gamiton na. So ilang i-shredding. So nipis na na siya guys. So next, julienne cut. Julienne is a French culinary knife cut technique which food items are cut into long, thin stripes similar to matchsticks. This technique is often used for salad ingredients and green veggies. The food that is joined include carrots, celery, potatoes, and cucumber. So ang kanina cut guys mostly is ginagamit din siya sa carrots, celery, potatoes, and cucumber. So ilan lang hiwaon pinatag-as guys. So that is a joint cut. And next is macédoine. Macédoine cut is small dice. Is a French cooking term for a mixture of vegetable. In this technique, vegetables should be cut into 1/4 each dice. This technique is ideal for soup, salad, and large fruit. So ang kanina cut guys kay ideal ni sa kanang mga soup and salad and large fruit kay dagko naman ni siya nahiwa guys. So para ni siya sa mga soup, salad. Parmentar. Parmentar is a medium-sized cube cut. It is the same size style as to make doing, just slightly larger, around 1.5 centimeters. Prepare the vegetable as above, then cut them into 1/2 slice, turn and slice it again into 1/2 slice. Now from the top, slice 1/2 cubes. So parmentar guys is gamay ni siya sa bourgeois guys. So medium dice ni siya. So i-cut nimo 1/2, then slice it again to 1/2. So mahimo na siya medium dice cube. So that's parmentar. And curry, large dice. So Gare is a large size cube cut. Carré means square in French, but cut features cubes with 6 even sides measuring approximately 4-5 inches, 2 centimeters. So, kani siya guys, kay dako na gini siya, kay large dice nini siya. Ang paminta kay medium. So, muna ang nakalahi nilang duha, medium and large. So, ang carré kay large dice and ang paminta is medium. Mincing cut. Mincing cut. The mincing technique is used where food ingredients are finely divided into uniform pieces. Minced food is normally smaller than diced or chopped. Mincing is the ideal technique for aromatics such as onion and garlic and ginger. It is used when a paste texture is required. So, ang mincing cut guys, kay mo ni ang gamiton, kay familiar mong guruman ni, kay mo ni ang gamiton cut sa onion o garlic, kay kanang pinagagmay na siya guys, nipis na siya na cut guys. So, mo na siya mincing cut guys. And rondelle cut. The term rondelle means round or circular. This technique is used to cut vegetables or fruit into round shapes. Foods like cucumber, carrots, and pineapples and strawberry are used. So, mostly guys, ang kaning rondelle cut guys, kay pina-circle yun ang cut na guys. Mostly sa carrot, cucumber, o sa pineapple, o strawberry. So, kung maghiwagi mo na nila na mga fruit guys, kay o vegetables, kay pina-circle na siya guys. And that's it. Bontanet cut. A larger, thicker version of generic cut. A button stick of vegetables are approximately 5 cm long and 5 mm wide and 5 mm thick, used as a accompaniment. So, buttonet cut guys is dako ni siya na version sa journal cut guys. Kay kato akong giingon gani ha. Pero ang atong journal cut guys kay gamay man to. So, this one bontanet cut is larger and thicker version of journal cut. And pasahin cut. Pasahin cut is a French term that means country style, indicating that this is a rougher, more informal cut than other more precise cuts that exist in French cooking. Pasahin cut consists of sliced vegetable about 1 mm thick and is ideal soaked and trimmed. So, pasahin cut guys, kay ideal ni siya sa soap and trims. And also, when it said informal cuts guys, kay wala siya tarong nahiwa guys. So, bisag unsa siya na guys, og forma. Di siya pila ng example, circle gid nahiwa. Pero ang kaning pasahin cuts guys, kay dini informal ni ang cut nini guys. So, bisag unsa ang cut na guys. So, mostly ang kaning ani na cut kay sa mga soup and trims. So, next, wedges cuts. So, the last one guys. So, I think this is the last one. Round vegetables are equally lengthwise. This technique is used on potato, tomato, and lemon cut into 4 or 6 pieces. So, ang kaning wedges cuts guys, kay muni ang siya ang gamiton sa cuts kung mag-cut mo og tomato. Inyo isang i-cut into 4 or 6 pieces. Mostly familiar mong guro mo ni, kay mo man yung kasagarang gamiton kung maghiwa og potato. So, that's all everyone, and I hope you enjoy my reporting video. So, bye guys.